fabulous run by Jordan Riedel.
Yeah, give it to Barrett as well. 48-58 is personal best coming into these championships.
Yes, both of them were going at it in the 200 semi-final yesterday and pushed each other.
Let's move to the under-20 girls 400 final in lane 8. That's Shanika Lindsay from Alphonsus Davis. In lane 7, Davine Dickinson from Immaculate Conception.
The Class 1 girls 800-meter champion this year.
In lane 6, Star Quality, Carifta under-17 champion Shamika McLean of Foga Road High, Class 2 champion as well at Champs.
52-22 Daniel, super talent.
Lane 5 from Homo Technical, Danielia Dixon.
Was that William Nib at Champs then? Now she's at Homewood.
Finished 4th in the Class 2 final at Champs. In lane 4, also from Homo Technical, Kristen Herbert.
Yeah, 55-10 to in the prelims.
In lane 1, Casey and Sewell of Immaculate Conception.
55-18, her best.
Yeah, Woolmans to Immaculate has represented Jamaica at the Carifta Games. An interesting development. So very early in the post-champ season. On the girls' side, yeah. Dixon moving to Homewood.
Bit of a surprise, but these things happen.
It signals intent.
McLean, the favorite from Foga Road in 6.
Under 20 girls 400 meter final.
Set.
Away they go then, the first time of asking, and McLean got up pretty well. Dickinson trying to stay with the early tempo. But Shamika McLean of Foga Road has them well measured down the backstretch. Dickinson of Immaculate is going hard. So too Lindsay of Alphonsus Davis. Dixon of Homewood Technical wants to make a move as well. McLean is trying to reel them in now. Off the top end they come. Danielia Dixon of Homewood Technical forges into the ascendancy. Herbert is there. McLean is trying to come on now. Running a big race so far. McLean is trying to catch her late. But Danielia Dixon of Homewood Technical prevails. 52.64 seconds for Danielia Dixon of Homewood Technical, upstaging Shamilia McLean, who did 52.76.
Fortune favors the bold, and that was a bold run from Dixon, getting a lifetime best there, 52.64. So upstage is Shamika McLean, who came in as the fastest, still the fastest at 52.22, but Dixon running an impressive race from start to finish, strong in the end as McLean trying to close and closing. She was getting closer, but Dixon holding on. That was just an impressive run from Dixon and ended up with a massive personal best, 52.64. Impressive time, Dwayne.
Yeah, McLean defeated here at the National Stadium for the first time. But Dixon reaps instant rewards with her move to Homewood. And my, what a performance that was. That race was won from the backstretch.
In 52.64 seconds, the winning time for Danielia Dixon. Shamika McLean second, 52.76. Kristen Herbert in third, 53.54.